Every video is created using multiple assets, and you often have to create them from scratch or download them from the internet. With Spotlight FX, you have everything right in front of you. With transitions, texts, elements, and overlays, you can create any video you want. These assets work like Lego. You just pick and build whatever you want. Let's say you need a camera transition. You're not sure which one, but that doesn't matter. You can head over to the camera library and start exploring. There are numerous options. You can even filter all the assets within the library. I'll go with this zoom out animation. With just a few clicks, we have a fully functioning zoom animation in our timeline. We can customize it or leave it as it is. But the point is that we've created this advanced zoom within seconds. Now, let's add another transition. And this time, we'll even customize some settings. I'll just open the split library and select the first item. Just double-click on it, and it's instantly added to our timeline. Now, for this item, we can customize the split amount. All you have to do is just move this slider, and you'll change the look of this transition. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. Imagine working with thousands of items like these that you can fully customize and stack to create even more unique scenes. The speed and scale at which you can create advanced videos is incredible. There's no need to spend valuable time on simple editing tasks when they can be done in just a few clicks. Give it a try.